Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Sithelo Shozi and Andile Mpisane's daughter recently turned 2 years old, and of course, Grandma Sean Kize threw her granddaughter a party to celebrate Baby Flo's birthday in style. Please check out this video, like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you on my next one. Check out this video.